it's your girl Jazzy B. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing an unboxing video on my LuMee case that I just received in the mail today. I'm so excited about that because I love to take pictures, especially when it's dark outside or I'm in a dark environment, dark setting. I want to get that perfect snapshot. And it's like, I really can't get that perfect lighting because of the darkness and, you know, whatever reason it may be. But now that problem is now solved. I have my LuMee case right here. I'm so excited about it. I just received it out of the mail. So let's take a look and see what it looks like. I'm so excited about this case. Yes. I'm super excited. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, let's see. It comes with a card. Dear LuMee, valued customer. So it came with a card. Take your best shot. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. So it came with those. Okay, and this is the receipt telling how much I paid for it and, you know, the labels and everything. So that's that. And here is the case. Here is my LuMee case. So, let's see what it looks like. That's the bubble wrapping. Okay, this is it. Ta-da! My dual LuMee case. And this is for an iPhone 10. And this is the case. And this is the LuMee Duo Mobile Lighting Studio iPhone X. It's nice. And it's like a pearl looking color. Okay, now let's get in the box. Ooh, it's already lighting. Ooh, you see the light? Ooh, okay. I love the light. Okay. Okay, this is the back of the phone case. And it says LuMee. And the power button is here. Okay. And it's very sleek. It's not bulky at all. It's real sleek. And it's gorgeous. Soft. Okay. Smooth. Oh, okay. And it's like a pearl. You see the pearl in it? It's real pretty. It's like real gorgeous. Nice case. Okay, it came with a charging cord. Okay, so this is pretty much how I charge the case to keep the light going. So you just stick this USB into a power block to charge it. This is the inside lighting, the different settings, bright. Okay, then that's the back. Oh, that's dope. Oh, okay, and it also came with a arm strap. So I'm thinking that, okay, so instead of just holding it in your hand, you just place your arm strap on it and just dangle it on your arm if you like. Okay, so that's pretty much everything that it came with. The box is not empty and torn. Empty. Okay, but this is a really dope case. I'm going to charge it before I start using it. Oh, it's not coming back on. Oh, there it is. That's the backlight. So I just have to charge the case because I just got it out of the mail. But it's like it's a really nice case. I love it. And wait to use it. Oh, yes. This is so dope. This case is so dope. Well, thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Comment below. I will leave the link in below where did I purchase this case from. subscribe. Thank you for watching. Until next time, y'all be safe. Have a great one.